pitch down, and then as it's rolling, get my knees up on it?
Yeah, no, not rolling. For one, you're in the water.
Okay.
So you want to get it, let it drag you out, because the size, you know, you can't put too much weight back here. It's just gonna go straight up and down. You're not gonna go anywhere.
Can I just ride on my knees, or do I have to stand?
You don't have to. That's what I was trying to say. Once you get going and you can pull your knees up onto it, you gotta stay in the gas, because the slower you go, it's gonna do like this. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So, but you can drag yourself all around if you wanted to. You know what I'm saying?
Let's try that first.
So the start button, hit the start button, try to hold it. It's gonna get you in the you know what. You'll feel the water pressure hit you real quick, is what I'm saying. So just be prepared for that.
Is it gonna idle?
Yeah, it'll idle, but it's still gonna try to pull a little bit.
Well, a minute ago it was like taking off.
Because I just cranked it. Like it was idle high because the motor wasn't warm or nothing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So. Are you recording?
Why are you scared? It's just water.
I know, I'm afraid of water.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Don't push it further out.
Okay. I got it. I'm watching out for my boys.
All right, remember, gas.
My pants are coming off.
His pants are coming off. Oh my God. This is too funny. You can see him. Hit the stop button if you want to stop. On the other side. On the front. There you go. Well.
Oh, that was hurting my nuts big time. Holy crap. Oh,
And it was probably
my pants are off.
It was knocking them off.
I guess I need to tie them.
Oh God. That is too funny.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, let me pull my pants up. Man, this thing hurts you big time. It just knocked me.
Go get up. Go get up. Or just go drag yourself over here. The whole time. I'm not even watching my cell phone. Oh, don't run into the bank. You're going straight to the bank. Run me over?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm waiting on you.
I know. Okay, how far can this thing go under the water?
Hopefully it won't go far under it.
I can't stop. I'm trying to reach to the front again. Oh.
You disturbed the water in like 4 feet deep.
Oh.
Because you had the jet pump one straight to the ground. I could see you doing one knee, but not both knees.
Yeah. I never got the other one up. Now I'm standing in rocks.
So, let's try this.
That didn't work. Just yanked it out.
It just went too fast is what it did, yeah.
So this was an actual recreation of how the Titanic sank. Just completely going.
Alright, I'm
landed on me.
I can't breathe.
Dude, it went boom.
Alright, Titanic 2.0. Oh, I'm shaking so bad. He sounds like he's underwater.